2 maples removals today. Set up the spider lift, as you can see here. The ground's a little wet from yesterday. We put down mow mats so that it doesn't leave tracks on anything. The machine we're using also has turf tires on it, so that helps as well. Being that they're over the house, we got to rope everything out tight area, so small pieces on rope just to be safe. So just wrapping up the job, we trying to beat the rain, but we're gonna pick up our boards. We ground out 1 stump right there, already working on the other one. As you can see, job went well. Rain didn't help, but that's why we put boards down. So everything went good. Got a little more cleanup, some rake-ins, some logs to take out of here, but all in all, good day. Closing time.